Hello future developers, so welcome to the continuation of our Python project, that's the OCR Optical Character Recognition. So in our previous lesson, we were able to extract the text from our image, okay, as you see here. So we were able to get the Python OCR and the confidence level from our image, which is this. Okay, so now what we want to do is to work on this. Okay, so from a sign post token. So it's going to be an exercise for us. So all we have to do is just to create, we can just copy the same thing. So we just copy this, okay, paste it here, and then I'm going to change the file name. So I think the file name is a stop. So the name of my file is stop. Okay, that image is stop. Okay, and then I'll run it. And now all I have to do is I can copy this again, Control C, then paste it in a new cell, and then run it. Okay. So let's see what happens. So what you would actually get is sometimes if it's your first time, the model, it might take a long time for it to load. That's when you're doing this. Okay, it will take a long time. I think I remember mine taking more than 30 minutes or 15 minutes to actually load everything. Okay, after that it should be faster. So now you can see it has fetched the stop sign for me, and then it has a confidence level of 60. Okay, so let's see. Let's just oppose it. Okay, so you can see we have 60, sorry, stop. Okay, and then you can see we have stop here. So we can fetch that out using our variable is called result. So I'm going to use result. So result square brackets, remember square brackets, 0 0 for everything here. Okay, and then square brackets, let's say so 0 1 2. Okay, so remember indexing, so 0 1 2. So I'm going to change here to 1. When I run it, you can see I have the stop here. Okay, if I do result square brackets 0 and then square brackets 2, okay, what do you think is going to fetch? It's certainly going to fetch the confidence level. Okay, so 0, all this is 0. Okay, so it ends at the comma here, and then another thing starts here, 1, and then comma, and then 2. Okay, so when we run it, we should get our confidence level, that's 60. Also, OCR gives us a method called details. Okay, so details, what we can do is to close this, maximize this. So with the details, what we will do is to, okay, so we would do, we have what's the reader.text. So all I have to do is to copy, I think, this. Okay, and I'm going to paste it here, and I think I can do a comma. Okay, and then I'll do details. I'll set detail to 0. Okay, so when we run it, let's do results. So results, oops. Okay, so you can see we have this stop. Okay, so it's actually going to clear everything and then fetch this for us, the stop. Okay, but this is very, the detail, this thing is very, like, okay, when you have multiple lines of text. Example, when you see this project, okay, you can see this is a document, and it was able to fetch me everything. Okay, so to clean it up, I had to set the details towards 0. When I set to 0, it was actually able to fetch me the text. Okay, so it cleared out all the confidence level and then the um, location of our text. Okay, and then printed everything out, like very clean. Okay, so that's with the help of the details object. Okay, or method. Also, in place of the image, you can actually just copy this here. Okay, remember our image is stored, this part is stored inside our image, or is assigned into our image memory. So if you don't want to use the image, you can actually just copy this and then paste it, replace it with the image. But why would you want to do that? Okay, so I'm just showing that there's another way to do it if you don't want to use your variable. Okay, so going to give us the same results. Okay, so you can see came stop. Okay, yeah, so I'll prefer to use the image variable that I created, or whichever variable you created, okay, to store the path. Okay, so In our next lesson, I think, okay, in our next lesson, we'll work on drawing like the image location. Okay, so thank you, and then I'll see you in our next lesson. Thank you.